Welcome back, Panda-Frog, and today I'm doing another entry in RP Spicy Challenge, 30,000 Scoville. This is our challenge log we are going to do. It is called 7020 something, challenge log number 1 by 7020. Show you the key later. So we got our 30,000 here, and we're gonna add some chilies onto it. Let me zoom out. Now it's already zoomed out. So I'm all set up. So let me fill the spoon. If you are not a part of it or not a member, feel free to join our latest and hottest club in Logsport. Oops, wee. It is called the 1 million Scoville Logsport Club. Not a challenge, it's a club. And what you have to do is check out the website, and everything you need to know is there. So we got a nice pepper on there too. And now I will eat this one, and then we pick the lock, and afterwards we got it. Maybe I drink some milk after the picking. I hope I can get it open fairly quick. Oh yeah. Okay, it's 30,000 Scoville. Did I show the sauce? It is ghost pepper and mango. 30,000 Scoville. Okay, it is working already. So here's a lock. Let me get some better focus on it. It is a little luck with this one. Oh, it's starting to get hot. Alright, I start in the back. I'm sweating already. I'm looking for a nice hot set here. There we got a nice hot set. Pin 1 is set, I believe. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I'm sorry. It's getting hot. Join the 1 million Scoville Club, guys. And ladies, of course. Okay. You don't have to do a whole spoon. Just a small serving size, like a drop or two. We are 7 members. And we got like 5 or 6 who said they will be joining us. Let me get this a little closer to you guys. So yeah, you should see me. I'm sweating pretty much, pretty a lot. I'm going to set it really quick. Whew. This is hot. My lips are burning right now. I'm not in the fourth set. Alright, there's a fourth set. There's a fourth. Oh, there is the fourth set. I haven't got it this one. So I don't know what's in here. But everything is burning right now. I'm sweating. I have to. Wee. Oh, thank God. We got it open. Okay. So here it is. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Let's check the key. Not a bad bidding. It's a quick set C key. Ooh, still hot, still hot. Ah, come on. I have one of these thingies to unscrew it somewhere. I don't know where. Probably in one of my boxes over here. It doesn't matter. Do it the hard way. Can I just... Like... Yeah, let's do it this way. That's fine. Almost there. Okay. There's no spring in here? No, it should be. Alright, let's try to shim it. That's what I hate, shimming. Sometimes get difficult to shim. Ah, it's okay with this one. Follower, please. Idiot. I am an idiot. So this is pin 1. I will show you a little closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 there. Alright. So my lips are burning, the rest is okay right now. The initial pain is gone. And the last pin. It is still hot. So I show you really quick what we got here for the first pins. You can find this stock, of course, on my website. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Very nice. Springs look more or less normal. That's a shortest spring in here, but I'm not taking it out today. Oh, yeah. What's a normal pin? A regular pin? Not modified. And we got the last pin over here. So let's put the cord on. See if we got some core modifications. No, not really. It's a little flat in here, but I don't believe it's intentional. Oh yeah, it might be. So let me zoom in a little. And get you... See, there's a pin work. And get a little more. It's quite beautiful. It is not too hard, but it's a beautiful look. So we did now the next entry for RoonPicker's RP Spicy Challenge. Hopefully I can get in 1 or 2 more. I don't know yet. We'll see. Depends on if I'm able to pick another lock or 2. I got 2 more sources I can do, so 2. So we will see. If we finish on the 7th, I'm probably not going to do it. If we extend it to next year, I will do another 1 or 2. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.